To the show. It's going to be in the Forum in Los Angeles on Sunday, March 11th. Broadcast on 3 networks, TNT, True TV, and TBS. Find out everything about the 5th iHeartRadio Music Awards and how you could be there on the homepage of our website.
iHeartRadio is making this a super weekend. Right now, everyone who opens the iHeartRadio app gets a free preview of iHeartRadio All Access. What's iHeartRadio All Access? It's everything. Search and play any song instantly. Skip songs with no limits. Listen to our amazing hand-curated playlist. Or create your own unlimited streaming music and radio all in one app. Right now and all weekend, open the iHeartRadio app for the All Access free preview week.
One Mardi Gras tradition no one likes to think about is getting better. Whether your back aches from putting kids on your shoulders or you got a pair of beats to the face, Turo's Emergency Room can take care of Mardi Gras injuries big and small. Mardi Gras is unpredictable. Turo is reliable for emergency